Okay. We inflate first inflate the hair into the tube. And then we increase the speed of the machine. PV cut that thing. 你要捞起。
后面捞起。
And you have to check the film manually because this is transplanted film. The sensor cannot detect the height of the label. If it's printed label, it can check the height of label automatically. 没漏气。哦，这卡了些。저는 엑스를 하나 써볼게요. 싸워.
아니 나라니가 그게 나오지 너무 좋고 나오지.
예. That gives full gospel power. After you check the film become flat, you remove the tube and it will stop automatically. And then you can see the screen. You press this button. And the film will return automatically. Return to the problem part and cut it.
做了。
这叫豆蛋嘞，基本上老球洗豆蛋噶。After you cut the problem part and then connect it.
Khi đó mình có thể cần switch vào rông.
And then you use the tape, connect it. Oh, clean up. Knife for coin. And then run the machine.